Check, check. Okay, there you go. Hi everyone, welcome to our session. Hope you're having a great connections here. Right, so today we are going to be talking to you about building API-only solutions for commerce. What is there possible for you guys, for our ISVs to build on Commerce Cloud products? So before I go forward, let me quickly introduce myself. Ramasree Pitla, I'm the director with ISV Platform Experts team here at Salesforce. Been with the company for a little over 7 years now. I am super excited to be talking to you all about this topic. Let's dig right in. All right, forward-looking statements, we can't miss this. Just a quick reminder to all our customers and partners, please make all your purchasing decisions based on the publicly available products today, as we might be alluding to a few features and functionalities that are not GA'd yet. Big thank you to you all for being great partners, for being here, listening to our session, being great trailblazers to our Salesforce community. We really, really appreciate your partnership with us. All right, this slide you might have seen yesterday. We kind of went over this last night, but just a quick slide for you all one more time for anyone who don't know all the different platform commerce products that are available on our platform for Salesforce. We have quite a few number of them. We have B2C commerce, which sits off platform. It's not built right natively on the Salesforce Lightning platform. It sits as a whole separate B2C commerce product. And we have quite a few products that we released on Salesforce Lightning platform, including B2B2C commerce, we have B2B commerce, we have order management, and we have Salesforce payments, which nicely integrates into all our storefront products. I'm not going to go over each one of these products. If you have any questions, want to learn more about these products, please come see us. We are more than happy to help you out with how to start with any one of these commerce products. I'm giving you an entire picture here because I want to show you what is possible to build on all these different products with just APIs. All right, digging real into the APIs now. We have quite a few APIs on the B2C commerce itself. That's our Demandware stack, the enterprise B2C commerce platform. We have recently released brand new APIs. We are calling them B2C APIs, SCAPI, or commerce APIs. They have quite a few different names. It all alludes to our commerce APIs. These APIs allows our developers to build, to leverage all the commerce features and all our different B2C commerce instances. It also allows all of developers to build quite a few wide range of applications, from full storefronts to custom merchant tools with custom business storefronts. And all these APIs are available out of the box to our B2C commerce customers. There is no real separate licensing needed for these products. And these APIs are divided into like two big chunks. One is shopper APIs, the other one is called admin APIs. Shopper APIs, as the name alludes, these are for our shopper customers or any other trusted sites that can use these shopper APIs. And the admin APIs are focused towards our admins and any privileged users that can use the admin APIs. The shopper APIs are mostly readable with a few exceptions, and our admin APIs are, you can read, you can write to it and whatnot. All our shopper APIs can be accessed through a new service called SLAS, that is the Shopper Login and API Access Services. These are the secure way to log into our shopper APIs. On the admin side of the house, we have our standard account manager, which you all might be aware of now. So that's the OAuth authentication that we use to log into our admin APIs. On top of this, we have also added Node.js SDK recently, right? This is an open source SDK that our developers can use to, build to these commerce APIs using JavaScript or TypeScript. And this SDK is built for Node.js runtime, the most popular web development platform these days. And we've also introduced PWA Kit on top of these commerce APIs for any of our developers who wants to take advantage of these commerce APIs on React storefronts. They can get a head start using our progressive web app framework, and they can also easily deploy these applications onto our Salesforce, public infrastructure using the other component that we have introduced last year, which is called the managed runtime. So these are all our newer innovations that we added on top of our APIs to make it so much more easier for our customers and partners to build these headless, composable solutions without a tie-in to a front-end or a back-end services. I've also left Okapi here because a majority of you must be thinking, hey, we already have Okapi, what is this Salesforce Commerce APIs, and are these guys different? So these are different, however, we are still supporting Okapi APIs. Majority of our customers and partners use these APIs. The only advantage of using the latest commerce APIs, I would say, is all these newer development that we have done, like the Slash, the Node.js SDKs, the PWA Kit framework. These are all added on top of our commerce APIs. And all the newer innovations or the newer APIs, whatever we are adding on top of our commerce APIs. So it makes it much more easier for our partners, go adopt these new APIs to expand your solutions to these other storefronts. And extensibility, what about extensibility on these APIs, right? We have Okapi hooks, you all must be aware of it very well. It's been around for a while, and now we have extended this functionality to our Salesforce Commerce APIs as well. So you can use hooks to to extend these commerce APIs as well. And you can see the nice little chart there. We have 6.2 billion API calls during our Cyber Week. As you all know, Cyber Week is our biggest week for commerce during November. So as you can see, its platform is pretty scalable and super performant with our APIs on commerce. Now that we have talked about all that, let us see what does that mean? How can partners really build headless or the API only kind of solutions, right? So this is the infrastructure of our platform, like how we layered up on the services one after the other. So there is no real dependency that you have to worry about that, oh, I need to build a solution based on this storefront, right? Let's go bottom up. Everything is built on our very standard, the highly performant Salesforce platform. You can get all the customer 360 insights from our marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, CDP, Einstein API services, all built on our trusted multi-tenant cloud. So that is the base, that gives the base of our platform. On top of it, we have layered it with commerce services. Our standard commerce, the complex commerce activities, everything that happens sits in this layer. So this layer is available for all our customers and partners through our different APIs that we just discussed about. That comes the layer up next, the API layer. So you can leverage all these commerce services using all these different APIs that we have exposed externally to build to all these commerce services. Now at the top layer, you can see the experience layer, right? So what kind of different storefronts you can hook it up to. You all know about storefront reference architecture. That's been around for a while. It gets shipped with the product by default. Now our customers and partners can also build React storefronts using our PWA Kit framework and our managed runtime to deploy those solutions with Salesforce platform support. And also you can build your own storefronts. You don't have to tie up to certain front end with a certain back end. Everything can be done using our Node.js SDKs that we have exposed to our customers. And on the right hand side, you can see all our ISV integrations that are listed as part of our App Exchange. They are the meat of our product. You can build all these ISV solutions to these different layers as we have layered up as a composable commerce structures. There is no real dependency that you have to build to a certain storefront with a certain backend. So you can take advantage of building these ISV solutions completely headless, completely API way. So that's all about B2C commerce. So let's see what is possible on the Lightning Commerce side of the house, right? So we have different technical stacks, both for B2C commerce and for Lightning Commerce. For Lightning Commerce also, we have exposed a bunch of APIs. This is all built on top of Salesforce Lightning platform. So you can obviously take advantage of all the goodness that comes with the Salesforce platform. And listed here are a bunch of APIs that we have exposed as part of Lightning platform. The Connect REST APIs, all the CRUD APIs that you can use. There is the bunch of Apex classes provided as the namespace classes where you can build all these solutions that can be extended across multiple different commerce products. And we have also come up with a bunch of checkout flows, standard objects, invocable actions, platform events, and all this, all the commerce services that are built into the platform to give you that much of possibilities to build just with our APIs without bounding to one big solution. Moving on, so now this is a similar structure what you have seen with B2C commerce. We have tried to bring in the same design to our Lightning Commerce platforms as well. As you can see, our all our commerce is supported by that strong base Salesforce platform layer. And then we have the same commerce services here too, which we exposed it exact same way like how we did in B2C commerce. It's just that the APIs to access these services are a little different between B2C commerce and Lightning Commerce, but we have all the different APIs available for you, whoever wants to build to these commerce APIs. And exact same way, we have the commerce API layer, and it is supported by Akamai CDN, along with the experience layer. As you can see, the experience layer is exactly similar. We have these pre-built B2B, B2B2C templates that you can use out of the box to build these storefronts real quick. At the same time, you can also take advantage of the strong commerce APIs in the back of the scenes and try and hook it up to the storefront that you would like to connect your apps and solutions to. All right. Let me keep clicking. Okay, going back one. So those are the different layers. The graphics didn't come out right, but what we're trying to tell you here is there is that platform layer which gives all the platform goodness as part of the Salesforce Lightning platform, and then there is this commerce services as I was alluding before. There is events, there is those invocable actions, there is all these Apex classes to extend your functionality with the APIs that you already have as part of the commerce platform. And then the experience layer is where you can bring it up all together with different storefronts. You can either go with the commerce storefront or something else. This is all the possibilities that you have on Salesforce platform, and now you can see all the different ISVs who have already taken advantage of this model, and they've already listed their API solutions on our marketplace. Just you can see there are quite a wide variety of partners who are able to take advantage of our APIs today. There are CMS partners, PIM partners, ratings and reviews, and there is this shipping. All these partners are able to take advantage of our existing APIs and make them, bundle them up into API-only solutions and ship it to their customers. That's all we got for today. So if you want to learn more, we have quite a few resources listed here. We have a Commerce Cloud Developer Center, which has all the APIs listed out clearly with the product documentation for you to get started. And also there is a product page where we have listed all the different commerce products and what are the possibilities and how to get started with each one of these products. And also we have all the product partner team here for ISVs. If you want to connect with any of us, we are available right after this meeting. And also you can always connect with us through the expert consultations. We would love to talk to you about any of these products and get you started with all these products. I hope this is useful for you, and I can take any questions if you have. And thank you all for being here.
Hello, so is it fair to say that these ISV solutions would be considered headless and lightweight relative to how they've been delivered?
Can you say that again? I can't hear.
Yeah, so is it fair to say that these ISV solutions would be considered headless and would be delivered more lightweight than what they're currently doing?
That is absolutely right. They are, yes, they can be delivered just with the API. So there is no real solution here that you're putting together. You're just directly connecting to the API. So what you would do is put everything in a document or some way that your customers can understand, okay, how do I connect between the ISV APIs and the commerce APIs, and how can I put it all together? So it's pretty lightweight package that you're shipping out to your customers.
So currently with SFRA, you can do cartridges not only for the storefront but also for the business manager.
Yes.
So what's the advisement for the headless approach? I mean, do we continue to use SFRA for the back end, or is there some other strategy?
SFRA is not going anywhere. You can continue to use it. But what we're showing you today is that you can build your solutions outside of SFRA. So there is no real bound to use our Salesforce like the storefront reference architecture, but you can use a React front end. You can use any other front end just using our commerce APIs, and we can make it happen for you.
I mean, talk about the back end, right? I mean, more like the business manager functions, like catalog and stuff.
Yeah, that is all available as part of our commerce APIs, the commerce services.
Thank you.
Quick question, what about Mobify? Should it replace it or should it be used together with Mobify?
So it is all Mobify. So now Mobify is Commerce Cloud. That we have plugged them into our PWA kits and managed runtime.
Do you have the published performance SLAs for these APIs?
Published SLAs for these APIs. We have them internally, I know that for sure, but externally I don't think we have exposed it yet. But we can connect offline to discuss what exactly you're looking for.
Hello.
Yes, hi.
So I noticed we have the shopper login API, right? So is there anything else in the Salesforce ecosystem similar to that, but in a different context? So for example, like a patient. Oh, so for example, like a patient login API.
Yes, we have account manager for the regular B2C admin API access, and we have recently introduced Slash, the shopper login access for B2C. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, looks like that's a wrap. We are still going to be around. If you still have any other questions, feel free to hit us up. We have the entire partner team sitting here waiting to answer your questions. All right, folks, thank you so much for staying here with us.